As a landlord, you face unique risks. You can suffer financial losses from storms, flood, fire, and lost rent while repairs are being made. That's why smart investors have Landlord Insurance to help cover themselves against losses from unforeseen events. But with all the options, what cover is best for you? An experienced insurance broker can help you select the right insurance, covering damage from flood, fire, storm explosion, and natural catastrophes, liability cover for third-party injury or loss of life, loss of rent and damage caused by tenants, even tax audit cover. Landlord Insurance helps protect you and offers peace of mind. Get started by contacting us today. Please read the product disclosure statement PDS to decide whether this insurance is appropriate for you. Various insurers issue Landlord Insurance.